friends, this particular video is not about physics or math. This is looking at my beehives. A lot of students ask about my beekeeping and the honey and the beehives and all that stuff. So I had my son get some video last time I was there. And so what you're going to see is me opening up the top of the hive. In the top is a box where bees are starting to collect honey, not a lot of bees in there. And then I get down into the body of the hive where you see frames of bees, and they've got food in there, and they've got eggs, and there's brood developing larvae, etc. So enjoy.